Hey, what's up guys? Rob Reese here. How would you like to make money in under 7 minutes amount of time in under 3 steps? Go ahead and stick around for this video because I'm going to show you how. So now, if you see here on your screen, this is an invoice of where I was able to pull in $300, another invoice for $110.75. So I can tell you that this method absolutely works. If you want to do as least amount of work as possible, you can even hire somebody for $3 or $4 or $5 per hour, a VA, to do this for you, and you'll start pulling $50, $100, $200 per day, very simply with very little work. So let's go ahead. This is a website called Max Bounty. Now, Max Bounty, if you don't know, is a CPA marketing website. That stands for clicks per acquisition or cost per acquisition. This means this is gonna get you paid, okay? As you can see here, I'm in one of the niches that they have available, and they have tons of niches available. But for example, this is the real estate and home improvement niche. This is step 1. This is gonna be where you pick out your offer, and every time somebody goes ahead and provides their information, you get paid a respective amount of either $3.50 per lead, $1.30 per lead, $1.60 per lead, and so on and so forth, even as high as $320 per lead. So you can certainly see how if people are filling out their information, they're providing leads, you can absolutely make money. The second step in this video is you are going to be using Craigslist for traffic. Now, traffic is the most important key where you're getting your traffic from. And as you can see, simply with this particular niche in real estate, there are so many different ads available. You're going to be simply putting very simple, easy ads on here. And don't worry, the training all includes that. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And then after that, you simply collect the money. As you can see here, $110.75, $300 even. This is quite simply the easiest money that you're going to see. Now, the system that I'm talking to you about is 7-Minute Sales Machine, okay? This is for brand new people who are been struggling online or looking to get started for the very first time. This is a brand new program by Brendan and Jono Armstrong. These guys have put together an incredible training with their new guy, Frankie. And like I said, it's in 3 simple steps. First of all, they're going to go ahead and unlock free traffic sources from 3 separate places for you to get free traffic from to get to those offers. Second, they're going to show you how to instantly monetize as the offers are completely done for you. So you don't have to take any of the work of yourself. You push it all on them because they provide it for you. And then all you have to do is rinse, repeat, and scale, and they'll show you step by step how to do that, okay? Now guys, this is absolutely crucial. This is a super simple, straightforward system where they're going to show you all of the networks that you're going to sign up for. Max Bounty. They're even going to provide you the script on what you need to say in order to sign up, because sometimes they need to make sure you are a legit person, and then they're going to give you some additional CPA websites to sign up for as well. They're going to go ahead and then show you how to pick the winning offers. Now, this is most crucial when you are on the CPA website, because as you can see, there are a total bunch amount available to you here. As you can see, there are hundreds of different offers available, and they are so sometimes hard to differentiate what's going to convert for you, but they've done all the homework for you. I'm sure you're excited about that. And of course, they're going to show you the secret traffic source, which is Craigslist. I already revealed that to you. But the important part is how exactly do you take those CPA offers and write the advertisements, and they show you step by step on how to do it. And then for those who are wanting to scale up, you're going to have additional traffic sources here. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely spectacular. On top of it, they have some additional options for you where they do even more work for you in some of the upgrades. They're going to give you advanced training if you pick up any of the upgrades, and then they're going to show you some ways to get limitless traffic and training to these offers to where you're constantly rinsing and repeating to make more and more commissions just like these guys. Let me tell you, 7-minute sales machine is spectacular, and these guys have put together an incredible training. And guess what? You don't even need to worry about traffic with Facebook ads. You don't have to worry about doing Facebook videos. You don't have to worry about launch jacking. You don't even have to worry about building a list. This is the simplest form of CPA marketing that you're ever going to get. So go ahead, pick up the copy by clicking the link below. The bonuses that you're going to get, I'm going to show you in just a second. So when you pick up 7-minute sales machine, this is what you're going to get as a bonus. Okay, number one is that you're going to get CPA Income Crusher. This is a no-fail way that you can use those very same CPA networks and do a different type of methodology that's going to help you even crush it even more. Additionally, I'm going to show you exactly what I've been able to do with creating a income utilizing affiliate marketing, where I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I've been doing in order to make these types of commissions every month, month in and month out. And then I'm going to go ahead and provide you a case study where I show you exactly what I did step by step on how I made $129.49 in under 90 seconds worth of time. And it's so stinking simple, you're not going to believe your eyes, but you're going to thank me in the end. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I am Rob Reese saying sayonara. Until next time, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you go ahead and leave a comment if you have a question. You can go ahead and pick up your own copy of 7-Minute Sales Machine. Until next time, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.